full converter fed DC drives. In the single full converter DC drives having two LED. Each LED carries two switches. Almost two LEDs are carried, four switches across the AC supply. Okay, first AC supply given to that switches positive and negative, that switches connected across the DC motor, one kind of DC motor. Okay, this is circuit setup, single phase full converter circuit setup. In the single full converter, working under the receiving of various gate pulses across the SCR switches gate. Okay, now we have to look at that switches cycling. Switches cycling means we have four switches, T1, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. We have four switches. That four switches activate according the representation of cycling process. In the sense, at a time, two switches are connected throughout the circuit, because first LED having two switches, second LED having two switches. First LED having Q1 and Q4, second LED having Q3 and Q2. In first LED, Q1 are on mode. In second LED, Q2 are on mode. Okay, so at a time, two switches are activation mode. That's two switches are having a positive and negatives. Okay, in positive LED, Q1 switches are on. In negative side, Q2 switches are on. Those two switches receive the gate pulses, it will be triggered by on. Okay, that time input AC supply given to that switches through the T1 Q1 motor DC motor, Q2 again AC of neutral. During this cycle time, we will get a proper DC output from the AC output, whatever we gave to the circuit. Okay, then this Q1, Q2 automatically turned off by applied the opponent gate pulses across that gate. The two switches are turned off. Meanwhile, Q2 and Q3 and Q4 will turn on by trigger pulses, receiving the gate, the trigger pulses to turn on the Q3 and Q4. That time, input of AC power will flow by these two switches to DC motor. Slightly input AC, which is converted into DC by the way of these two switches firing pulses. Okay, all those things and all those explanation we can look at on this graph, on this shown graph. Okay, we have to see the first graph. First, Q2, Q3 and Q4 switches will on. That time we cannot achieve the positive maximum DC graph, because that time AC slightly converted into DC by the various firing angle. Various firing angle in the sense firing angle always having 0, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 up to 180. So 0 to 180 is a positive firing angles, 180 to 360 is a negative firing angle. That time we will give a positive firing angle, we can achieve a DC, proper DC of positive. Okay, otherwise we cannot achieve. Okay, then this is a harmonic speed control motor converter, harmonic or various firing angles. Already I said we have a lot of firing angles, alpha equal to 0, alpha equal to 15 degree, You look at the graph on the right hand. Okay, alpha equal to 0, alpha equal to 15 degree, alpha equal to 30 degree, up to 180 degree. Okay, you just imagine 0 to 60 nearer, 75 nearer, we will achieve a positive DC supply, rather than 75 degree up to 180 degree we will achieve negative DC. Okay, so meanwhile we have to justify, or we have to receive the speed of motor, that speed always having 1500 rpm is synchronized speed.